And just for fun, let's compare different microphone setups for you to be able to decide what's best for your situation. As a control, we'll use the built-in microphone on the A7 first, and that's how that sounds. Secondly, we have a lapel microphone from PowerDewise. This microphone is $20, and this is what that sounds like. Now we have the same microphone from PowerDewise hung about 8 inches from my face, just outside of frame. And that's what that sounds like. We have the shotgun microphone, the NTG2 from Rode. This is what that sounds like. That's a $400 microphone. And this is a $100 condenser microphone called the B1 from Studio Project, and this is what this sounds like. And lastly, we have a dynamic microphone just a few inches from our face, and this is what that sounds like. This is the Shure Super 55, and it sounds pretty good until you push it away from your face, and it's a couple feet away from my face now, and it doesn't sound that great. The advantage of having a shotgun microphone is that you can put it outside of frame so you don't have to see it. The advantage of a lapel microphone is that you can put it up close and it's not obtrusive. The advantage of a dynamic microphone is that you can put it up close and it sounds really robust. Condenser microphones are normally not something I would recommend for something that's going to be on camera. For example, if you push this microphone far away from you, this is what it sounds like, and it doesn't sound good at all. But if you get it up close, it can sound pretty good. And I really enjoy the sound that comes out of this microphone, but it's so obtrusive in the camera. It's so in your face. It's so big, and it's just massive. Condenser microphones, especially the cheap ones, such as this $100 B1, don't have great background noise rejection. So those fans in the background on my computer, they show up pretty loudly compared to the dynamic microphone that I spent $200 on. I know that's not a fair comparison, but it's something to consider. Right now, we're listening to the audio from all these microphones in a very noisy room, I would say. My computer is on with the fans at full blast. My phone is going off. There's a lawnmower outside, and the dishwasher is running in the next room with the door closed. This is what all these microphones sound like. Just as a reference, you have a $200 Super 55 dynamic microphone from Shure. You have a $20 PowerDewise lapel microphone. You have another $20 PowerDewise lapel microphone, but this one is hung from the ceiling. And this is a $100 condenser microphone, and this is what this sounds like. And you have a $400 condenser shotgun microphone from Rode, the NTG2, and that's what that sounds like.